Fiverr recently released a secret resource for real estate agents that almost nobody knows about, and you have to know something specific about how to get there. So in this video, I'm going to share my screen, show you exactly how to get to the secret Fiverr resource for real estate agents, and explain to you exactly how that's going to help you take your business to the next level with better branding, better video content, better marketing, and taking it to a level where you can outsource things in a specific way that is going to help you grow and hit your goals. Alright guys, so most of you are probably already familiar with Fiverr. It's an incredible resource where you can outsource different tasks for your business, whether it be creating YouTube thumbnails, branding material, marketing material, or just getting almost anything done for your business for unbelievably cheap. If you're not using Fiverr, I highly recommend it because it saved me thousands of dollars, helped me execute things incredibly quick so that I can reinvest into my business and help it grow quicker than the rest. But what I want to do today is I'm actually going to show you a secret resource that Fiverr released just for real estate agents that almost nobody knows how to get to. So you can see that Fiverr over the course of this year has actually revised how its front page looks. You can see here that there's different resources, different things that you can check out, but nobody knows how to get to this resource for real estate agents. You can just see social media, video editing, content writing, and so much more. Anything that you really need to do for your business for unbelievably cheap, you can outsource it. But here's what I want to show you exactly how to do. Find resources or services for your project. Come up here and type in real estate. And look what happens. No matter what you search, you will not find this anywhere else. They have a private resource just for real estate. You can see Fiverr-stores-real estate. So this is something where you can see it's curated specifically for helping agents grow their business. You can see that there's two different segments that you can check out, whether it be which part of your business do you want to promote? Do you want to promote you as a realtor, or do you want to promote your property listings? So I'm going to explore both with you quickly to show you the functionality of it so that you can use this very intentionally for your business. Let's start with promoting you as a realtor. If you come here, you can see get noticed. This is for growing your real estate business brand from the ground up. So anything that you need, look how incredible this is. Web and mobile design, website content, website builders, mobile apps. If you want to create a custom mobile app, you've got logo design, you've got business cards, marketing. So if you want articles, blog posts, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing. Let's see social media marketing, for example. If you come here, whether you want social media management, profile setup and integration, social content, consulting, analytics. So let's say that you want somebody to manage your social media. You can come here, check it out, and there's endless verified people ranked by order of results and testimonials that you can use. If you want social media content, you can see that you can come here and have people that will create your incredible, eye-catching social media posts for you that will get more engagement. If we come back, you can see that you've got anything from lead generation, cold calls, skip tracing for investors. This is unbelievable to see what this is going to do to help you scale and do it in a very efficient, cost-effective manner that you don't have to go and spend thousands of dollars. You don't have to hire some local consultant that's going to charge you an arm and a leg to grow your business. But let's also check out what it can do for your property listings. I highly recommend you check this out. Even anything as Christmas is coming around, beautiful business card designs, or have somebody that can create a really nice Christmas card for you that you can send out to all your past, current, and potential clients. This is something that I urge you to use. Now, if we go back, you can see property listings. So if we come here, you can see that you can do virtual staging for your listings. See all. You can do 3D floor plans. You can do professional photography, marketing design, so brochures for luxury listings, or if it's part of your business like mine, any listing, flyer design, social media marketing. If we come down further, whether it be custom yard signs, Photoshop editing, you've got real estate inspiration, you've got getting your brand noticed. So if you come here, again, you've got everything that you need. Now, one more thing that's actually really cool that I want to show you, because I've had a lot of people reach out to me for this, is actually what to do with land, because I know there's a lot of real estate agents that are selling land or at some point will sell land. What I recommend you doing is actually using Fiverr and going to 3D property rendering. And if you come up here to 3D property rendering, you can see stuff like this, where let's say you're selling a plot of land and you want to run Facebook ads to it. Well, we all know that a piece of land doesn't look really that sexy on a Facebook ad. So if you come to something like this, you can simply and easily outsource it so that a piece of land can then have a gorgeous property put on it that would look exactly like a property that's in your market. And this is going to help attract a lot more attention. This is going to help your ads convert at a higher rate, and it's going to generate you a ton more leads if you're selling land. But ultimately, again, come up here, type in real estate, and I urge you to use these resources, because here's one big thing. And if you listen to this and take away and take action on what I'm about to say, this will change your business. You need to calculate your hourly rate. A lot of things in here are $5, $10, $20 for them to create different assets for you, like marketing, SEO, and anything like this. Now, if you're doing this yourself, let's say you're creating your own blog or you're creating your own YouTube thumbnails, if somebody can do it for you for $5 an hour or $10 an hour, and you are doing it yourself, you're essentially valuing yourself at $5 or $10 an hour. And that doesn't align with somebody that wants to make six figures. So calculate your hourly rate, leverage this platform that nobody else knows and has shown you, and get ready to take your business to the next level. So drop a comment if you have any other questions. Really excited to show this to you, and I'd love to know your feedback on what you end up doing with this. So thanks so much for tuning in, guys. As always, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.